So guys, in our today's video I want to talk about CPA marketing. CPA marketing is something I haven't actually talked about on my YouTube channel, and in this particular video I want to talk about CPA marketing, and I'll be very fast as I can. Okay, so moving on to this website known as Adsterra. Adsterra will be the CPA marketing platform that I want to use for our CPA marketing tutorial for today. So as you can see, Adsterra actually happens to be a global advertising and CPA affiliate network for a unique partner care and approach. Okay, like we help advertisers meet their KPIs and grow ROI while publishers maximize eCPM with our easy to use advanced traffic solution and best team in the industry. Okay, so what Adsterra actually does is that Adsterra can actually help you monetize your website outside you making money from CPA marketing on the Adsterra website, because you know Adsterra equally happens to be a CPA network. In fact, Adsterra is a multi-purpose platform. So you can scroll down on Adsterra, as you can see, advertisers, publishers, and affiliates. Okay, so these are the three major services that Adsterra actually does. Who work with us, the people that actually make use of Adsterra happens to be advertisers, publishers, and affiliates. Okay, so as you can see, these are the three major services that Adsterra actually renders. One is for advertiser. If you happen to be an advertiser that is looking forward to drawing traffic to your product or your brand, Adsterra is a powerful platform for brands, agencies, solo marketers, and media buyers with over 20 targeting settings. You deliver your ads to the best matching audience, unlock high quality CPM, CPU, and CPA traffic from 20k plus direct publishers. Okay, like they can help you with genuine traffic that converts, then robust ad format with CTROS up to 30%, then A-class support and expert managers. Okay, so you can check out more of their infos for advertisement and all of that. Okay, if you are looking forward to advertising your product or your brand. Then for publishers, then this one is for ad monetization. If you actually have a website or a blog where you publish content, you can actually use Adsterra to monetize your website and make cool cash from it. Okay, so with Adsterra you monetize any traffic from a small blog to APK files or any social traffic. You don't even need a website to start making a profit with display ads. AI algorithms will choose the most competitive CPM rate along with relevant ad content. So if you happen to be a blog content publisher or a blog content creator, I believe you might know what CPM actually is. That's cost per mile. That's how much you make per 1,000 clicks or 1,000 view on the ad from that is actually displaying on your platform. Then as you can see, super fast approval and easy to start. So it's very easy to actually get your website accepted into the ad monetization network of Adsterra. So I have seen people monetize their site with Adsterra and it happened in just one day. Okay, the regular payout with $5 minimum withdrawal, then extra income with referral programs. Okay, so with $5 total earnings, you can actually withdraw from Adsterra. Adsterra is highly promising. I've been on Adsterra, I've been monitoring Adsterra for a very long time, and I have seen Adsterra do magic for people, especially for bloggers. Okay, so but the reason why I actually brought you guys here today is based on their affiliate network, which is the most important thing that I'm actually talking about, because Adsterra equally happens to have a CPA marketing network that can actually help you make money online as a CPA promoter or as a CPA marketer or as a CPA affiliate marketer. Okay, Adsterra CPA network, that's cost per action or cost per acquisition. That's what CPA actually means. Is a source of high paying offers from reputable advertisers. Okay, so what Adsterra actually does is that they work hand in hand, or they work as affiliates with other CPA platforms or other CPA advertisers to actually help people make money from the CPA networks. Okay, so payout of affiliates and provide them with a full range of money saving tools like backlinks and postbacks. Okay, so as you can see, first class offers that provide to convert, then transparent regular payout, then dedicated managers for trusted affiliates. So it's very simple now, and you can go through Adsterra at your leisure to still know more about Adsterra, but because of our time, let's move on as fast as possible. Okay, so if you scroll down now, you're going to find their services for advertisers, for publishers, then ad format, vertical resources company, and all of that. So as you can see, under publishers, they have traffic monetization, they have referral programs. Okay, so let's check our referral program, because that's what actually brought us here. Okay, so referral program, earn up to 5% revenue of every one you refer all you have to do is sign up and get a unique link, become a referral. You can equally join the referral program over here at Adsterra and make cool cash from it. Okay, make money on recommending Adsterra to your friends and colleagues. Okay, so you can equally make money. You can share your Adsterra referral link on social networking, YouTube, blogging, on your blog site. If you own a website or a blog site, then you can equally run display ad for that, then spread the word. You can spread the word by mouth to your friends and all of that. You can become a referral as fast as possible. So without too much of our time, as you can see here, this is CPA affiliate. Okay, so let's check out CPA affiliate and see what happens next. Okay, so under the CPA network, which is actually the reason why I brought you over here to Adsterra, where I want to talk about CPA marketing, because the reason why we are here is for the sake of CPA marketing. Okay, so welcome to Adsterra CPA affiliate network. Over 200% plus high converting and exclusive offers, then CRO from 10% and ECPM over $100 plus, then payouts from $5 every 2 weeks. Okay, you actually get payouts to your account every 2 weeks, and the minimum withdrawal threshold from Adsterra network as a CPA marketer is actually $5. Even as a blog publisher that actually used Adsterra as a monetization tool for your blog sites, you actually get paid out $5 minimum withdrawal threshold. Then they have online chat and personal managers for pros and all of that. So let's just scroll down now to see. You can join the Adsterra now and get offer from direct advertisers. You are a few seconds away from unique offers which increase payouts and great CRO. Make sure you test the best selections of VPN, utility and sweepstakes offer. So it's very simple now. You can still scroll down to still check out more to know about their CPA network and the offers. Okay, with Adsterra CPA you get access to selective quality offers. Affiliates enjoy a large number of worldwide and local offers with increased payouts, then high and fast payouts. Adsterra is a premium CPA network that always care about partners providing the most favorable conditions. Then unique direct offers. We have exclusive rights on first class direct offers. You can pick high rewarding offers that can be found anywhere. Okay, would you like to promote your offer with Adsterra CPA network? Let's talk. Okay, you can equally promote your own offer here if you happens to be you have an offer, or you publish offers, or you publish CPA offers for people to actually help you promote. You can do it here. You can enter your name, your email address, and enter a message and hit on let's talk. But that's not why we are here. We want to be the one promoting. Okay, so we want to be the one making money from promoting these offers that have been posted here on Adsterra network. Okay, so let's hit on register right away, because we want to join the Adsterra CPA marketing network. Okay, so it's very simple now. As you can see, we are over here at the sign up section. Sign up as an affiliate, or I'm not an affiliate. So let's get access to exclusive CPA offers with high profit. So let me just pick my details right away so that we can move on. Let me pick my email address. So as you can see now, I've picked my email address, my full name, then login, then password. Pick a password that you remember, then messenger, WhatsApp. You can pick Telegram or Skype if you have a Skype account. If you have Telegram account or WhatsApp, you can pick the messenger account. Then this is my messenger account name, Daniel Anthony. Then you can pick a payment method. They have several payment methods like PayPal, Web Money, Passum, Bitcoin, Tether, ARC, that's Ethereum, then Tether, that's Tron, then bank transfer. You can equally get your money out on bank transfer. Then you hit on I've read terms and conditions, then you hit on sign up. Okay, so as you can see, we are already in now. Confirm your email address. We have sent a verification link to Henry Mark, which is my email address. Please check your inbox and click on the link to get started. So all I just have to do now is to visit my email inbox to actually verify my account, so that we'll be granted access into the Adsterra CPA marketing network. Okay, so as you can see right now, I am in my email address, and as you can see, the Adsterra team, complete your registration as an affiliate. So I just have to hit on it right now. It's for it to open. Then as you can see, welcome to Adsterra, Daniel Anthony. You are almost set. Just click the button below to confirm it's really you. So what we just have to do now is to hit on confirm email. Okay, processing. Please do not close the windows. Login as an affiliate. Okay, so now we have been verified, our email have been confirmed, so we just have to log in now. Then I just quickly have to hit on login. Okay, boom. So as you can see, we are into the Adsterra CPA marketing platform. As you can see, this is my own Adsterra account now. My balance is $00. That's because it's a brand new account, newly created. So these are all of the offers that you can actually get here on Adsterra. And as you can see, welcome to Adsterra, Daniel. I'm going to show you around a bit to help you get started. Don't worry, I can do that myself. I have to close it. So let me quickly take you now over to the dashboard and show you some of the stuff you need to know. Okay, take a look at this quick note. New affiliates need to have a total of $50 gross to request a traffic check or to wait up to 2 weeks. So let me quickly check out dashboard. Let's see our dashboard and know how it looks like. Okay, payments in February 23. So you can see all of the stuffs here. This is your dashboard, so you can go through these sections at your leisure to still know more and how it actually works. Okay, so this is a profile section. You can check out profile. Payment is there, you can check out payment. Then let's see CPA affiliates. Okay, then we see offers, okay, which is the main reason we are here. Then over here at the CPA offers, you scroll down, then you're going to find a lot of offers that you can actually promote. Take a look at this offer: US Win 10 plus Chrome, push subscription. Payout is actually $1.50. Conversion type CPA, that's cost per action. Okay, if you actually get someone to take action on this CPA offer, you're gonna get paid $1.50. This one $1.50. This one you're gonna get paid API mobile new pre-land 2 for Android, get offer. Then mobile utility, as you can see, you get paid 6 to 9 cents if you actually get someone to take action on this offer. So take a look at various offers that you can actually make money with here. This one 1 point. And another amazing thing is that you're gonna find offers that are even gonna pay you up to $2. Okay, Play Joy P2MEO Android, then you're gonna get paid $2.70. So let's check out any of this offer now. Let's get offers here. Let's hit on get offer. So as you can see here now, previous screenshot, blah 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 blah. These are all of the offer details. You can hit request for a link. Okay, your requests have been sent, so you have to be patient, waiting for approval. As soon as you get approved, you're going to find your link here on this offer. Then as soon as you pick up your link, you can start promoting. Okay, so let's still equally check out other offers to see how the request link will actually look like. So you have to apply for so many offers and wait for approval. Then as soon as you get approved, you start picking up your link and start promoting as fast as possible. Okay, so let's just scroll down now and maybe we'll check out this offer right here. Get offer, then request for a link. Okay, your requests have been sent. Our manager will contact us as soon as possible. So this is how it actually works. Okay, so let's assume your link have been finally approved and you are waiting, and now you've already gotten your link. So how do you actually promote? Okay, like me, I happen to be a YouTube content creator, so let me quickly introduce myself before I start telling you how to promote your offers and make money with it. Okay, so guys, my name is Daniel Anthony. What I do on YouTube is I teach people tips and strategy on how to make money online. Share various ideas, share various tips, share various strategies that can actually help you make decent cash online, because I make, in fact, almost 100% of my money from the online space, and I've been doing this thing for years. I have a lot of experience on it, so you can actually follow my coaching, my guidelines, and you definitely succeed. So since you have already known that I do this thing for free, you just have to do for me to show me kind appreciation is to hit on the subscribe button, hit on the bell notification icon, and hit on all. It is equally for your own benefit, because you always be the first to get notified whenever I publish a brand new Make Money Online tutorial content. Like this video and share, and drop your comments in the comment section below in case there's anything you find difficult or challenging to understand. So with that said, let's still move over to our Adsterra section. So let's assume your offer have been approved for you. You can actually promote with YouTube. Okay, I happen to be a YouTube content creator. I can create a video about any of this offer and then get my link and drop the link in the video description below, so that anybody who comes in contact with the offer will have every reason to actually click on the link and then and then connect with it. Okay, you can equally do this thing on Facebook. You can promote on Facebook, you can equally promote on Twitter, you can promote on Instagram, wherever you have audience. Okay, one thing you need to understand about affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, or whatsoever is that you need to have traffic, you need to have audience. Okay, you need people to actually click on your link. Ghosts are not the one who's going to click on your link or who's going to click on your offer link. You actually need people to do this thing for you. So you have to get an audience source. That's why they tell you to get get traffic source. So you need to actually get a traffic source to promote this offer. Like I said, you can do it with Facebook, Instagram. If you have a TikTok audience, you can share this offer on TikTok. So if you actually want me to create a more detailed video on how to promote Adsterra CPA marketing offers, I'll show you detailed step-by-step guide on how to do it. Just drop your comment in the comment section below. I'll be waiting for the comments. If I can receive 10 comments from different people, I'll make a video on how to promote Adsterra offer, and it will actually help you make cool cash as well. So don't forget, guys, my name is still Dan Anthony. Make sure you like this video. Until we meet again in my next more Adsterra video, I just have to leave you for here for now. Bye. I love you all and peace.